Where is the cat? This book is all about looking for a naughty little cat. Let's see if you can spot it in some of his favorite places. Then turn the page to find out if your guess is right. This book is a playful hide and seek features an adorable cat who likes to explore. I'm Shanu. I'm looking for my cat. Can you help me to find it? Cat, where are you? Please come back. Where's the cat? Oh, Catty, come back. Is she in the living room? Cat? Cat, are you in the living room? Are you in the kitchen? Catty, come back. Where are you in the kitchen? I could hear you. Are you on the stairs? Come down, cat. I know you are in the bathroom. You spilled the shampoo. Come out now, cat. Let me check in the bedroom. I think she is in the bedroom. Yes, here she is. Look, I found you. You have been very naughty one. Hey friends, thank you for helping me in searching my cat. Bye bye for now.